All right, let's talk about something that can strike fear into the heart of any student or academic, their research proposal. It's one of those huge, daunting tasks. But what if AI could help? Today, we're going to dive into how these tools can turn that struggle into something way more manageable. But, and this is a big but, we also need to talk about the serious pitfalls. You know the feeling, right? You're just staring at that blank page, that blinking cursor just mocking you. The weight of the entire project feels like it's crushing you before you've even written a single word. It's just overwhelming. But what if you didn't have to face that blank page all by yourself? Because let's be real, a research proposal is not your average essay. It's this complex beast that needs a very specific structure. You've got to show you know the existing literature inside and out, and you have to present your own ideas with total clarity. Trying to get all those moving parts to line up perfectly, yeah, it's a massive challenge for pretty much everyone. And that's where an AI writing assistant can be a game changer. Now, it's super important to get the mindset right here. This is not a ghostwriter doing the work for you. Think of it more like your co-pilot. It's a partner that can help you brainstorm ideas, get a first draft down, organize your thoughts. But you, and only you, are the one flying the plane. So there are tools out there specifically for this. A good example is something like Jenni AI. It's built from the ground up for academic writing, and its whole purpose is to help you build out that proposal piece by piece, turning this one giant, scary project into a bunch of smaller, totally doable steps. And really, that's the secret sauce right there. Just break it down. Instead of trying to conquer the whole mountain at once, you just tackle it one section at a time. It's all about following a blueprint. So, here's that classic blueprint. You've got your abstract, your intro, the lit review, methodology, what you expect to find, and a timeline. It's a logical flow, right? You start broad, then you dive into what's already known, explain how you're going to do your research and what you think will happen. And the cool part is for every single one of these sections, you can feed the AI a really specific command to help you get a solid first draft on the page. And look how specific you can get. A prompt like this one is powerful. You're not just saying, hey, write me a lit review. No, you're asking it to do something much more sophisticated, to actually highlight the gaps in the research. That's when this stops being just a writing tool and starts becoming a real research partner. Which really brings us to the most important rule of thumb. The AI is only as smart as the prompts you give it. Seriously, the quality of what you get out is 100% dependent on the quality of what you put in. You're the one in charge here. You're the director. Okay, so how do you do it effectively? First, start with a really clear topic. Use short, specific prompts. Here's a pro tip. Write a few lines yourself to set the tone and direction, and then let the AI pick up where you left off. It's great for continuing a train of thought. But the biggest one, the one you can never forget, is to always review and revise what it gives you. It's a first draft, people, not the final word. Okay, so we've talked about the fun stuff, the helpful stuff. But now we need to get serious. Because with a tool this powerful comes a huge amount of responsibility. This isn't just about writing faster. It's about protecting your academic integrity. And honestly, what we're about to cover is probably the most critical part of this whole explainer. Pay close attention here, because using these tools the right way versus the wrong way, well, that's the difference between having an amazing assistant and, frankly, committing academic fraud. Let's break down the division of labor. The AI's role. It can draw off stuff for you, it can summarize long articles, it can rephrase your clunky sentences. But your role, that's everything else. You have to fact check, you have to provide the original thinking, you are the final authority. The AI is the tool, you are the researcher. End of story. And this leads us to the number one biggest, scariest danger of using AI in academic work: fabricated citations. You'll hear people call this AI hallucination. It's when the AI, trying to be helpful, just makes things up. It invents sources, authors, articles, journals that look totally plausible but are completely fake. And I need to be crystal clear. This is not some rare theoretical problem. It happens a lot. The AI will generate fake references, complete with fake authors, fake journals, even fake DOIs that lead nowhere. Imagine submitting a proposal with those. It would be an absolute academic catastrophe. So, how do you defend yourself against this? The solution is simple. But it is 100% non-negotiable. You have to search for and verify every single citation the AI gives you. Use the real-deal academic search engines: Google Scholar, PubMed, Scopus, whatever is standard in your field. The motto here is simple: never trust, always verify. So let's wrap this up with the golden rules. Rule 1. Check every single fact for accuracy.
Rule 2, never, ever, ever just blindly copy and paste. Rule 3, know your institution's policy on AI. Do you need to cite it? Find out. And finally, the most important one, make sure the final product sounds like you. It has to be your voice, your ideas, your unique perspective.
And that's really the bottom line, isn't it? AI is an incredible tool. It can absolutely help you smash through writer's block and get your ideas organized. It helps with the labor of writing, but it can't and it shouldn't do the thinking for you. That's still your job. In fact, that's the whole point of being a researcher. So I'll just leave you with this one final thought. There's no doubt these tools are powerful, and they're only getting more powerful by the day. The question you have to keep asking yourself every step of the way is a simple one. Is this still me? Is my voice, my original thought still driving this? Because at the end of the day, that's all that matters. Thanks for tuning in.